Hi everyone, this part is about HTTP. When we surf the internet, we often type in an URL and go to the web page that we want to see. And at this time, we often see the term HTTP. Before we talk about what HTTP is, we should know what a web page is. The web page consists of objects, and each object has a reference. When we want to browse a web page, the things that we really want to see are actually objects. In this scenario, we call ourselves clients and the resource of the web page server, and it is reasonable that clients ask the server for objects. Next, let's talk about the definition of HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. For each object, we need to make an HTTP request for one reference and wait for the HTTP response of the server. When the server responds, we can receive the object and display it in our browsers. As stated in the previous video, web pages do not tolerate any data loss, so HTTP uses TCP for data transmission. For instance, when we are browsing some pictures on the internet, you can see that the pictures appear one by one. It is clear when you can see many pictures on the same screen. This is because the object requests are sent one by one, and the server gives the response to each of the requests in order. Here are three types of HTTP today: non-persistent HTTP, persistent HTTP, and pipeline HTTP. For non-persistent HTTP, it is like a person who goes to a store and can only buy one item at a time. Then they have to leave the store and come back for another item, which is clear, not efficient. For persistent HTTP, on the other hand, is like a person who goes to a store, and at this time, they can place several items in a bag and check them at the same time. However, if they want to place another order after payment, they need to come back and wait in the line one more time. Finally, pipeline HTTP. It is like a person who goes to a store and places several orders at once, but does not wait for the orders to be filled before placing the next one. This allows them to place their orders quickly and efficiently without having to wait in line for each one. The cashier then fills the orders in order they were received and then gives them back to the customer all at once. Currently, persistent HTTP is the most popular one, and according to the metaphors before, it seems that the pipeline HTTP should be the most powerful one. Can you guess why it is not the most popular one? If you are interested, you can search why online, since there are multiple reasons. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something about HTTP. Thank you, and please enjoy the rest of the videos.